Which of the following quantities have the dimensions of a distance? And really we have to just walk through all of them because there's no easy way to say it ahead of time. We'll just figure out what each of them are. So, A, the dimensions of VT would be meters per second times seconds, which is meters. So this one does, in fact, yes, have the correct units. And then B, the dimensions of 1/2 AT square. Well, the half doesn't have dimensions. A has units of m over seconds squared, and t has dimensions of seconds, but we square it, and we see, not surprisingly perhaps, that seconds squares will cancel, so we're left with meters, meaning that B also has the right units. And then C, the units of 2 AT, which I guess we suspect will not happen. 2 is a pure number, has no units. A has units of meters per second squared. T has units of seconds. So this ends up with units of meters per second, which is not a unit of distance, and therefore this one does not work. And then finally, the units of V squared over A, which is meters per second quantity squared over meters per second squared. And then we square the top one, so this is meters squared per second squared over meters per second square. And to divide out fractions, we do the infamous keep, change, flip. So we keep the first fraction, and then we change the multiplication, and we flip the second fraction. And here, some complicated stuff goes on. We get seconds squared canceling seconds squared, and we get 1 meters canceling one of those meters, so we wrap up with all said and done at meters, which is a unit of distance, and so this one works as well. So the only one that didn't work was C.